Welcome to our channel. So now we are continue the previous which is the running the topic. So we are still in this table section. In this table section, inside of the body tag of the rows tags is there. In the inside of that rows tag some the TD tags. This table it is the standard data cells.
Music
in
licensing
in this
reimagined.
data cells provides the some values, so for the columns, every columns. Okay, so here the row tag means this the row tag means, so I will explain everything. First of all, how was it works. First of all, for example, where is the images?
Artlist.io.
Not this images. Okay. So next, I will example. I will take our okay. Suppose here header 1 and header 2, header 3 came. So
Music licensing
here
reimagined.
header 1, this is the entire header 1, header 2, header 3 is the came in as a row, So that is the row tag. Inside of the row tag here, ours it will appear is the container tag, look like container. So here appear here row tag is appear look like as a parent tag. In the
Artlist.io.
child tags, which is the child tags, here are table tags. So that's why. So first this one h1 tag and h2, h3. This all headings appear look like our output. So that is the useful for this
Music licensing
the table headers tags. So next under table body tags, inside of the body, so we are discussing only the headers. So now body means in heading under the, so this is the table na. So this is the this is the table, 2 rows under.
Artlist.io.
So here how many columns? 2 columns. And here how many headings? Name and user ID heading. 2 headings here is there in 2 heading sections. Okay, how is the appearance? Look like our code.
Artlist.io.
There is our code. Look like this. This is heading. Heading is nothing but this blue color highlighted titles. So this is the heading tags. So the remaining 2 columns of the some normal text is there. So that is the
Music
how was
licensing
write that
reimagined.
code for that. So I will explain. So that is the this entire the header section and body section content already I wrote. So in this body section we need the tables, every table, body, cells, content we need. So that's why
Artlist.io.
I take in the TD tags. Okay, but here I write something, some values, some text, and some so and so special characters like that where I taken. So
Music
let's check
licensing reimagined.
where is our browser. This is our browser. Okay, after refresh, so let's check here. So every tag here, this is the heading 1 regarding to the heading 1 tag regarding to the table body, which is the we kept that text appearing here under heading 2 and the text appearing here, and table 3, not table heading, table heading 3, that text table
Music
body,
licensing
which is the
reimagined.
regarding to that data of the text is there, that special character appear here. That is the difference of that this header tag and body tag. Okay, inside of uh, the standard table cells tags and table header tags and row tags. So this is the simplest way. And if
Artlist.io.
you want to the merge any two columns, any two rows, if you can use the column span. You can use the the call
Artlist.io.
here the how to utilize that call span. The call span, suppose when I use the call span, I need to the call span in this
Music
first
licensing reimagined.
first one column span. I need that one column span. Oh, sorry. Two. What will happen? Let's check. In where is our browser? This is our browser. So here, what will happen? Let's check. So here,
Artlist.io.
so borders not coming here. So our borders is not properly working. So you can ask our chat GPT how to utilize the
Music
chat GPT.
licensing reimagined.
So you can correct the below the my script. So here automatically the chat GPT will giving the within second means provide
Artlist.io.
code. You can utilize chat GPT. You can reduce the time. So save the time. Reduce it means save the time. So you can use copy and paste it here. So what is the mistake? So border here
Music
the style
licensing reimagined.
previously we are using same like this way. But what will happen? Nothing will happen. Same code. Okay, let's check output. But very same. Nothing giving. We're not giving different results. So I need the every
Artlist.io.
columns and rows borders. Then only we will identify the column span, the property, how it was
Artlist.io.
working. We can easily identify. So first of all, oh, he is using different ways.
Music licensing reimagined.
So first of all, so in this, so he has write the styles also. We don't need currently. So first of all, we can utilize the only table part. So in this column spans, okay, same code provided again,
Artlist.io.
but he was just added styles at the border table in this. Already I told you the inside of the style tag, which is we are using this is the style tag we are using inside
Music
of the
licensing reimagined.
header section only. Inside of the header section only this content is like, then only that styles will be working. Okay, so this table tag I was applied the some styles, that is a border collapse is the collapse and width 100% header on the table headings and the table cells borders and paddings they are provided, and at the only the table header the background was look like this. So what will happen, let's check. So our output will always coming so look like this good way. So here previously when I was not using the column span, I was showing that table look like in here. So like this way. See over here some some section here. Escape the chart GPT. So now let's check. Now we added now added that
Artlist.io.
missing letter column. Now added the third heading of the column text. So now when I was using this column span, so I need to merge these two columns. Okay, this first row. How was merge? So I was using in this which is you want to starting of the merge of the column. So you can use the columns and property. So two means two cells only merge. Two cells only merged. So here after refresh what will happen, let's check. So let's check. So here what will happen,
Artlist.io.
oh, here missing the content. Okay, so next after refresh what will happen, oh the column missing the content. Okay, let's go for
Music licensing reimagined.
concept variable. Oh, okay. I was applied here. That is the main mistake, I thought. So after refresh, what will happen? Nothing is happening. So when I was try here, what will happen? Same will be happen. Okay. So when I merge it, so these two only merged, then the remaining content will be crossed. Okay, so like this way you can merge it everyone. So first of all, so I want to explain about the not only that are column span and the row span. Row span also is there. We can use that one also, row span. So here if you want to do row span,
Artlist.io.
row span. So row span equal to 2. What will happen?
Artlist.io.
Rows will not merged here. So the rows will be merged automatically. You can apply. Oh, we are already.
Music licensing
So now I
reimagined.
will apply here row span. What will happen? Let's check. Here rows not much. Why? What happened? The rows are row span. The row span will not happen. So because of
Artlist.io.